India receives a massive volume of rain every year, yet during a heavy monsoon shower, millions of gallons of that water simply wash over concrete and choke city streets. Because all that runoff escapes down the drain, those same regions often face severe water shortages just a few months later. The Catch the Rain campaign treats sudden showers like a household leak by placing buckets to trap water before it hits the floor. Launched in 2019 for highly water-stressed districts, the initiative expanded to the entire country by 2021. The guiding rule is to catch the rain exactly where and when it falls. This creates a permanent, localized defense system against unpredictable climate patterns, moving beyond temporary drought relief. To secure water for over 1 billion people, the government is deploying millions of simple, community-level structures to work alongside massive industrial dams. In cities, rooftop harvesting systems divert rainfall away from municipal storm drains and funnel it straight into usable, localized storage tanks. Out in rural areas, stone check dams slow the natural flow of rivers, creating small pools that force water to sink into the earth. Every one of these structures serves to trap a fleeting monsoon shower long enough to recharge the underground water tables before the dry season hits. When an entire district builds thousands of these pits simultaneously, regional water availability begins to stabilize. Scaling those individual pits by the millions requires heavy coordination from the central government. This is the Jal Shakti Abhiyan. The ministry passes directives down to the states, which coordinate directly with district and local bodies. Local Jal Shakti Kendras act as action hubs for this network, providing technical guidance for community members to participate. These hubs bypass bottlenecks by linking projects directly to existing labor programs like MGNREGA. This mobilizes massive workforces to excavate new ponds and recharge structures. The institutional mandate includes running strict inventories of water bodies, planting new forests, and clearing silt from existing reservoirs. Recent phases of this framework have successfully integrated thousands of new recharge structures straight into urban municipal areas. This vast bureaucratic scaffolding weaves isolated acts of digging into a synchronized nationwide climate adaptation grid. The system often stumbles over a predictable human behavior, short-term thinking. Once the immediate threat of a dry season passes, maintenance often falls by the wayside. This graph maps the breakdown. We see a spike during the initial construction drive, followed by a sharp drop-off. Fragmented coordination and a lack of regular upkeep cause these structures to fill with debris and fail over time. To reverse this trend, the focus must move toward the steady, continuous upkeep of existing structures rather than just digging new ones. This requires turning passive public awareness into measurable, year-round conservation habits. Maintaining these local catchments provides the foundational water supply needed for national goals like the Jal Jeevan Mission, which aims to pipe water into every home. Long-term climate resilience rests on a nation's ongoing, daily commitment to catch every drop exactly where it falls.